Colombia, the second most biodiverse country in the world, is also remarkable for its mineral resources. According to the National Mining Agency, 30 out of the 32 country's departments carry out exploration or exploitation activities for minerals such as gold, coal, copper, silver, emeralds, and platinum, among others. Nicola, Clerici, and Benjamín Quesada, professors at the Faculty of Natural Sciences of Rosario University in Colombia, together with a young researcher, Andrés González, investigated the dynamics of deforestation associated with illegal mining activity in the 114 million hectares of the national territory, 5% of which have been authorized mining concessions. The researchers crossed data from the Colombian mining cadastre, which shows the exact delimitations of legal mining concessions in the country, and a set of high-resolution spatio-temporal data that show changes in forest cover by areas of 30 by 30 meters throughout the national territory between 2001 and 2018. The results show that legal mining also contributes to the increase in number of deforested hectares in the country. In 2017, in mining concessions, deforestation was around 6% of the total in Colombia, equivalent to about 25,000 hectares. The study, entitled Growing Mining Contribution to Colombian Deforestation, published in the journal Environmental Research Letters, also shows that between 2001 and 2018, the departments of Antioquia, Norte de Santander, and Bolívar accounted for 70% of the national deforestation associated with legal concessions. In 2018, there were an estimated 6,952 legal titles for mining concessions in Colombia. The research indicates that in almost 100 of these, more than 400 hectares of forest was lost in the period analyzed. According to the National Mining Agency, as of February 2019, mining title requests corresponded to 8.56% of the national land territory. If the requested mining titles are approved, and following the trend evidenced, the country could risk losing up to 400,000 additional hectares of forest over the next 2 decades. Some more positive news highlighted by the research is that half of the mining concessions in the country deforested less than 1 hectare per concession. This means that if good practice is adopted as a general rule, a reduction of more than 90% of the current deforestation associated with the illegal mining sector could be achieved. This would represent a very important reduction if one takes into account that, paradoxically, gold, which is one of the most important minerals in the country, is also the one most associated with deforestation. The calculations suggested by the study indicate that in Colombia, around 20 trees are cut down for every kilogram of gold. The researchers at Rosario University conclude that large-scale legal mining could potentially pose a growing threat to forests in Colombia. Faced with this situation, improved control of compliance with environmental legislation is urgently needed, including monitoring activities at the national level and participation of the mining industry in effective strategies for forest conservation and landscape restoration. This would be a promising way to better contain the loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services associated with forests in mining concessions in Colombia.